Hello students, in this video we are going to do the project Display Keypad with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that we need a keypad, LCD display, I2C module, jumper wires and Arduino Uno from our kit. To do the project we need to create the circuit as per this schematic diagram. Connect displays 1 to 8 to Arduino pin D9 to D2. Connect SCL to Arduino pin A5. Connect SDA to Arduino pin A4. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Uno using Arduino IDE as shown in our previous tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to see when a key is pressed, the Arduino reads an input and shows the LCD screen. For example, consider a calculator where the keypad is used to enter numbers and the LCD displays real-time feedbacks and results. This project uses the same mechanism.